Hello.
Hi, good morning.
Bonjour and Happy New Year, everyone! Hope you all had a good start into the new year. This year started really great for us, and let me tell you why. Much has happened in between, and we are excited to tell you all about it. Just before New Year, we went to France to sign the papers for the house at the notary. It was a beautiful sunny day, and after a final visit to the house, we drove with the real estate agent and the sellers to the notary. It was a 1.5 drive, so glad we could carpool. Then the big moment was there. We signed the papers and the homestead is ours.
Oh, wow.
Een buitenlicht.
Ah, nice.
Zullen we morgen maar even doen?
Ja.
Tu as acheté les clés pour la maison?
Okay.
Arriving late at night, we made a simple meal. With an empty house, an empty stomach, we almost had to eat on the floor. Only one thing remains: prepare the airbed for a good night's sleep. We spent 2 days at the house and then we went back to the Netherlands to pick up more tools and utilities. And of course our 2 cats. We are going to start renovating and prepare the house for the moving company to bring all of our stuff in a couple of weeks. So stay tuned for more upcoming videos, like and subscribe our channel, and we will see you on the next video. Then we'll show you around in a grand tour of the homestead. Till next time!